I know many of you have been asking about my phase 2. I've been dropping in a lot of my Rhaenyra videos, so let's talk about it now. Okay, so phase 2. First off, I don't know if many of you know, but this is a competition piece for me. And throughout this entire year, I'm going to be working on Rhaenyra as much as I can, adding more to her, and that's not just to the dress. There will be multiple phases with Rhaenyra to get me up to the competition that I'm going to be competing in November. The first phase was making the dress. Now the second phase is making a new wig. Yep, wig completely from scratch. I don't know if many of you know, but I used to be a wig maker. I used to make wigs for Custom Wig Company. You should go follow them. And now it's my turn to make a wig for Rhaenyra. I am making a wig from scratch for competition purposes because I needed to level up the difficulty for my outfit while competing, and I want to make it to my custom hairline, custom look, and with as much hair as I can possibly stick in the wig. The lace on the one that I've worn this weekend and the one that I've been wearing for Rhaenyra is a little too dark. I want to get the lace to my actual skin color to be able to blend it in better and just to look better. The wig will be completely customized to my head, size, and shape, and you guys will be there with me while I do everything. That includes making the wig cap, that includes tracing my own head, and venting in the hairs, every single one of them. So I hope you're excited to join in on that. It seems like you guys are, so yay. Making wigs from scratch is difficult and takes a while, but if you're really interested in wig design and you even making one for yourself completely from scratch, follow along with Rhaenyra and this process, and I will walk you guys through the whole thing. So yeah, so that's part 2. I can continue talking about this, but if you guys want to know more about what I have planned, I can make a whole other separate video on that. But that is my announcement for phase 2. I ordered all of the hair and supplies that I need to make the wig last night, so it should be getting in soon. But I am going to be taking a little bit of a break away from this and do some fashion-y projects because I just need to breathe a little bit. This is a lot. This is a lot. Once again, thanks for everybody for following me on Rhaenyra process, and for me actually meeting you guys at C2E2 this week. I met a lot of you, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for following me along this project. It's not done yet. Let's keep this train going and keep riding the dragon.